In a previously seen video, we can now see what happens beforehand, as a TOS thermobaric rocket launcher system was firing off its rockets. Ukraine's drone surveillance followed the system back to its hiding space. This turned out to be a building where they were storing a lot of ammunition for the system, making the target even better. With a heavier rotor drone carrying a larger warhead, one strike is all that's needed to start a chain reaction inside the building, with the result we previously saw. Now knowing both ammunition and a TOS system was destroyed, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.